Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Poseidon's Vault puzzle. This puzzle was built by Elamite Prints. It has a difficulty level 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of Poseidon's Vault puzzle is to open the drawer. This puzzle was 3D printed and then all parts were assembled. Now this puzzle has only two visible parts, the box and the small drawer that you can move a little bit, but that's all what you can do for now. But if you grab the box and shake it, you will hear that there's a lot going on inside. But there are a couple of strict rules. You're not allowed to shake the box to solve it. You're not allowed to flip it upside down. How to find where is top, where is the bottom? It is easy. There is a small gap between the drawer and the box, that is the top part, since there is no gap between the drawer and the bottom part. And that's all information that you have, and you have to figure out the way how to open the drawer. This puzzle has a unique solution you've never seen before, and it is not a difficult solution, but you will have fun solving the puzzle. If you like the Poseidon's Vault puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.